lifestyle. What is a healthy lifestyle? Are you living a healthy lifestyle? Where do you begin? How does it even start? Those are the key questions that sometimes you have to ask yourself, because some of us keep going on day by day by day, and we don't really realize that you don't even know what's happening, right? So one of the things that's important is like, okay, so first of all, what is health? A lot of people think or have different terminology or definitions on it. What is health? Health means your physical and emotional well-being. So a lot of times people just associate being healthy to having a physical lifestyle, meaning you're physically fit, you're working out, you're going to the gym, you're doing those things, and that's all great. But the word health is your emotional and physical being. So I want to tell you guys how to create a healthy lifestyle, because it's not just about being physical. It's that overall being. It's making you whole. It's making you complete. So these are the topics that we're going to discuss tonight. So one, ask yourself, hey Ashley, thanks for joining. As you guys come in, go ahead and give me, if there's any good information that you guys hear, I want you guys to give me hearts. I like hearts. So go ahead and give me hearts in the comments, right? Now, if you have any questions, go ahead and put the questions below. But one thing is, if you didn't know what health meant, was that good info? Go ahead and give me some hearts in the comments. So one of the things I really want you guys to understand is that your health, it is your emotional and physical being. So when I ask that question, are you living a healthy lifestyle? It's really a question that has to be answered rhetorically by yourself, because only you know the true lifestyle. So what is lifestyle? We already defined health. What is lifestyle? Lifestyle is truly your habits. Your habits create your lifestyle. Habits is something that you're going to do every day. So if you don't like your life, you can change it. You can change your habits in a matter of 21 days. It is guaranteed. You can change your life by changing your habits in 21 days. So we want to know, how do we get to having a healthy, meaning our emotional and our physical being, and creating it into a lifestyle that is going to be good for our overall being, meaning the overall whole person concept. You have to be whole. You want to be whole again, because again, you can go to the gym all day, every day. I know some people that do this. But what they fuel their body, what they put into their body, what they ingest, creates health problems, creates things that's going on in their life. And they're like, why is this happening? I'm in the gym all the time. Or why am I overweight and I'm in the gym all the time? Because I'm living a healthy lifestyle. Yes, you're in the gym, but you have to have that whole being. So this is what we're going to talk about. Couple of steps. There's a couple of things that you guys can do to create that healthy lifestyle. Number one, we already started talking about, working out. You want to be able to have it active, because I want to define that. I want to get deep on that. A lot of people think if I just show up to the gym and check in, that's working out. No. You want to have an active lifestyle. And that word is different for everyone. So in order to have an active lifestyle, I want you to understand whether you're walking every day, whether you're running every day, whether you're jogging, whether you're actually hitting the weights hard, really getting into beast mode. You know what I'm saying? So you want to define your active. You could be bike riding. You can go spin classes. You can do hikes. You can walk trails. You can go skating. You can be snowboarding, kayaking. The list goes on, right? But this is what I want you to know. You have to be active. So again, transparent moment, you guys know I have battled with some health issues in the last 4 years. And it completely came out of nowhere and straight shut me down. Like, took my whole active lifestyle and put it in a box and threw it far in the ocean and was like, good luck, with a whole bunch of sharks running around, right? That's really what happened to me in a nutshell. However, I'm like, okay, how do you be active when you're limited? You still can be active. You know how many steps I get in a day? Even when I had a cane and a walker, I was still active. I still was able to do some form. Now, it may not be what you were used to. So if you're going through some things and you're like, I'm trying to have a healthy lifestyle, I don't know what to do. Believe me, I was you. I want you to understand, I've been there. I had to teach myself how to walk twice without walking assistance. I had a walker, I had a cane. I had to do that 2 times within the last 4 years. So how do you maintain your health without, totally, disregarding it? This is how you do it. You maintain an active lifestyle by your limitations and your conditions. Just because you don't have your full body part motions and range ability, you can still do other things to maintain that. Again, I can get more in detail, and there will be future videos to talk about how we're going to do that. I need a friend like you. You are my friend. If you're following me, you my friend. So, of course, you got me as a friend, Jeremy. All right? So, that's one thing. We're going to stay active. The second thing you want to do is you want to start eating better. You want to eat, and I always tell people this because I'm a foodie, so I love to eat. You want to eat for you. You want to eat for your body. A lot of people just consume things and put things in their body, and you have to understand that I eat from my body. So if I'm eating something and your body's reacting to it, and it's in a negative reaction, my body don't need that. I cut it out completely. So your food choices are very important on your health scale, on how you're going to feel as a person, how your energy levels are going to be. That is very important. So if you're feeling sluggish, you're feeling fatigued, you're feeling like I can't get out the bed, I have no motivation, you need to probably start by looking at what you're eating. What are you putting into your body? Because this is your temple, you're slowing it down by the choices you're making. So we're going to go ahead and make better food choices. And I don't want anyone to think about getting on a diet, because don't do diets. I always tell my son that diet has the word die in it, and we're not going to die to do this, okay? So what I want you to do is create that healthy eating habit. Change your meal choices. Change your food choices. Change your vocabulary. Change the words that you're using, because that plays a part on your health. Believe me, words are very powerful. You want to make sure you understand that. All right. So another thing, because we defined the word health. Health means your emotional and physical well-being. Emotional health, mental health is a part of having a healthy lifestyle. You cannot be ripped. You cannot have abs or still. You can't have a six-pack. You can't have all the muscles. You cannot have all of that. And mentally, you are just torn. You are broken. You are lost. You are just like, I don't know what's going on. Now, to get all of that, it's mind over matter. I always tell people, you can have abs. Absolutely. You can have big muscles. Absolutely. You can have your butt lifted. Absolutely. You can have that small waist. Absolutely. It's up to you to decide if that's what you want to do. To get it done, it's mind over matter. You can't get anything physically done if your brain don't already know that it's going to be able to do it, and you tell it that it's going to do it. Because once you tell yourself you can't, you absolutely cannot do it. You won't. Your body will shut down and it will respond to that. But when you tell yourself you can, to me, it's whatever. Like, we can get it done. Let's get it done. Let's do it. So it's mind over matter. So mental health is just as important as your physical health to create that healthy lifestyle. Now, you're probably saying, what is she talking about? How does she know this, right? I lived it. I am living proof of it all. I got injured. I told you guys, in the last 4 years, it's been a struggle. It's been a battle. My mental health, oh my goodness, it just was not in a great place. And I didn't want to tell anybody. So a lot of times we struggle. I call it the invisible wounds. When you have those invisible wounds where no one can see, they don't know. You see me vibrant because I love my pink. You see me smiling because I smile through the pain. But inside, I was not okay. Physically, I could not go to the gym. Physically, I could not get back to doing the exercises. Now, there was some physical limitations, and there still are. But mentally, it would not allow me. So I have to tell people, you have to make sure you attack it. You have to attack it. How did I get from point A to point B? I had to reprogram my mental state of being to say, no, I'm not living a healthy lifestyle. If I don't get this in order, I'm not healthy. And that is important. And I have to make sure as a parent, it's not just about your health. It's about your children's health, because they're watching your habits. They're watching what you eat. They're watching your activity levels. They're watching how you respond to stress. That's the other part of creating a healthy lifestyle. We have to reduce the amount of stress in our lives. We have to remove negativity. Lots of it. Get it gone. Toodle-toodle. So if you have negative people in your life, remove them. If you have social media full of negative things, delete them. If you are negative, just put yourself in a box and throw it away. No. No, don't throw yourself away. Attack it. Let's find out, why are you so negative? Reach out. Phone a friend. I am the friend. We already said it. Jeremy put in the comments saying he need a friend like me. I am your friend. I am here to help you. That is what I do. I help people get back whole. People that was lost. People that could not figure out how to get back on track. I had to figure it out first. I had to go through a lot of things to get myself back on track, back on course, to be whole again. Was it easy? No, of course not. Anything that comes easy is not worth it. But are you worth it? Absolutely. You are worth it. So what does that mean? We're going to go ahead and take these steps that Nat Martin is giving and help you get back into creating a healthy lifestyle. Now, creating it, those are just a couple of the things that you want to target. That's your target, right? We have to have our target. Like, okay, for me to get back to a healthy lifestyle, and even if you think you have a healthy lifestyle, ask yourself those questions. Do you eat right? Do you eat properly for your body? Not saying you eat and you having indigestion, all types of bloating, all this stuff. That means some things are not going hand in hand with your body. And I'm not telling you to take anything out that you don't want to, because it's your temple. You treat it as accordingly as you want to. My temple, I treat it very well. Okay? So you want to make sure you're active. You got to make sure you're active. I don't care if you start off with just doing one walk around your neighborhood. You got to do something. You have to get yourself up, because that is going to help you get out of that mental state if it's not all the way in check. You have to check yourself. Like, okay, yes, it's COVID. Yes, it's quarantine. Yes, we're all down. Some days can be, monotonous. It could feel like Groundhog Day. Get up. Drink some water. Drink lots of water. You need to drink a lot of water. That is probably some of the problems. Vitamin D. You need to get outside. Yes, we are in quarantine. Yes, you can go outside your door or your home or in your yard or on your balcony, wherever your living circumstances are, and you can get them sun rays, because you need the vitamin D. That will boost your energy. That's a natural boost of energy. You need it. Today is raining. Ain't no vitamin D popping out there. But if you're not already taking a vitamin D supplement or something like that, you want to make sure you go outside and you get the sun rays. So these are just some of the steps of creating a healthy lifestyle. Again, this is your girl, Nat Martin. I'm here to help everyone become whole again because I don't want anybody left behind. So before we go, I want you to like, tag, and share this video with everybody because they need to know these steps. And if it's not for you, it can be for someone else that you know. It's all about connections. So again, this is your girl, Nat Martin. And hold on, what did Jesse said? Pouring out my soda now. Absolutely. Thank you, Jesse. Thank you. Pour out that soda. Replace it with that water. You don't like the way water tastes? It's okay. There's so many things that you can do to the water. Throw some lemons, throw some limes, throw some mint leaves. You can actually throw some grapefruit slices, throw some orange slices. You can get some Mio. Squirt, squirt. It's too many options. So drinking your water or not drinking your water, it's not an excuse. Get it done, right? So I didn't want to take up much of y'all time. I just wanted to jump on here real quick, give y'all some pointers, let you guys know I care about you. I want to make sure you have a healthy lifestyle. So don't forget, this is your girl, Nat Martin. Like, tag, and share this post with everyone. You guys have an awesome night.